Imagine a vast digital empire interconnected. The X Empire token is its beating heart. It represents a piece of this growing ecosystem. More than just a digital asset, it unlocks a universe of possibilities. One primary use is for governance. Token holders shape the future of the X Empire. Access premium features within the X Empire Telegram bot, built on transparency, security and community, designed to foster growth and empower users. Join us as we explore the opportunities that await. Every empire has a beginning, a moment where its foundations are laid. For the X Empire, this is the Token Generation event. This event marks the moment when X Empire tokens are created and distributed to the public.
The Token Generation event is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures a fair and transparent distribution of tokens. Everyone has an equal opportunity to acquire tokens and become a part of the X Empire. Secondly, the event raises funds to further develop and expand the X Empire ecosystem. This includes enhancing the X Empire Telegram bot and investing in new features and technologies. Finally, the Token Generation event serves as a launchpad, propelling the X Empire into the wider world. It's a chance to showcase the project's potential and attract a vibrant community of users. The event is a pivotal step in establishing the X Empire's presence in the digital world.
At the heart of the X Empire lies the X Empire Telegram bot. This powerful tool acts as your command center, connecting you to the vast possibilities within the ecosystem. The bot offers a range of features designed to streamline your crypto experience.
One of its key functionalities is providing real-time market data. Stay ahead of the curve with up-to-the-minute information on cryptocurrency prices, trading volume and more. The X Empire Telegram bot also facilitates secure and seamless cryptocurrency transactions. Buy, sell and trade your favorite digital assets with ease, all within the familiar interface of Telegram. But the bot's capabilities extend far beyond basic trading. It provides access to educational resources, community forums, and even exclusive investment opportunities. The X Empire Telegram bot is your gateway to a world of possibilities within the X Empire.
Section 4, Joining the Ranks, how to participate in the Token Generation event. Becoming a part of the X Empire is remarkably simple. Follow these steps to participate in the Token Generation event and claim your stake in this burgeoning digital empire. First, join the X Empire community on Telegram. This is your hub for all the latest updates, announcements, and information regarding the Token Generation event. Next, complete the registration process. This typically involves providing your basic information and creating an account on the X Empire platform. Once registered, you'll receive detailed instructions on how to participate in the Token Generation event. This may involve contributing a specific cryptocurrency to receive X Empire tokens in return. Finally, spread the word. Share the X Empire vision with your friends, family, and online networks. The more people who join the movement, the stronger the X Empire becomes. Section 5. Power in your hands. Benefits of the X Empire ecosystem. Joining the X Empire is not just about acquiring tokens, it's about becoming part of a thriving community and unlocking a world of benefits. The X Empire ecosystem is designed with its users in mind, offering a range of advantages. One significant perk is the potential for financial growth. As the X Empire expands and the demand for X Empire tokens increases, early adopters stand to benefit from their investment.
Beyond financial gains, the X Empire offers a sense of community and shared purpose. Connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and contribute to the growth of a truly decentralized ecosystem. The X Empire Telegram bot further amplifies these benefits. Enjoy seamless trading, access exclusive opportunities, and navigate the world of cryptocurrency with ease. The X Empire ecosystem empowers you to take control of your digital future.
Section 6. To infinity and beyond. The future of the X Empire token. The X Empire is more than just a project, it's a vision of the future. A future where decentralized technologies empower individuals and foster a more equitable digital landscape. The X Empire token is the fuel that powers this vision. As the X Empire ecosystem grows, so too will the utility and value of its native token.
We can envision a future where the X Empire token is used for a wide range of applications. Imagine utilizing it for decentralized finance services, accessing exclusive digital content, or even participating in virtual reality experiences. The possibilities are limitless. The X Empire is committed to continuous innovation, constantly exploring new ways to enhance its ecosystem and empower its users. The future of the X Empire token is bright, fueled by the collective ambition of its community and the boundless potential of blockchain technology. Join us on this journey and be a part of something truly extraordinary.